This video is meant to be a creative video for any math student, but what motivated me to make this video was that I've noticed that over the years, it really tends to elude students as to the properties of quadrilaterals. They really seem to struggle with having the properties, and then you have a parallelogram, and then you have more specified parallelograms, and then you have more specified of whatever those shapes are. This tends to elude kids. So I think the reason it eludes you is that there's a piece of mathematics that you really haven't gotten excited about. So I'm hoping that this video will help you to get excited about the idea of classifying. So we start. I have a thing called Doubee Dakker. Okay? What is a Doubee Dakker? Well, a Doubee Dakker is a triangle, any triangle at all. And one of the sides is red. That's a Doubee Dakker. So you can go and attempt to draw a Doubee Dakker. I don't think it would be that difficult to do. What is a Doubee Dakker? Any triangle where one of the sides is red. That would be a Doubee Dakker. Okay, so now there's something else called the flickamagy. Flickamagy. What's a flickamagy? A flickamagy is a triangle which has one side red, one side blue. Sorry if you can hear my son James stomping up there. That's what he's doing during his wonderful Google Meet. Anyway, so that's a flickamagy. But here's the thing. A flickamagy is a Doubee Dakker. How can we make an argument that a flickamagy is a Doubee Dakker? Well, a flickamagy has the properties of a Doubee Dakker, doesn't it? It's a triangle with one side being red. Okay, but are all Doubee Dakkers flickamagies? No, that's right. They're only flickamagies if one of the other sides is blue. Okay, and that's how you get more specified shapes. So we move on. I'm going to give you another shape. Okay, we'll call this madagi. What's a madagi? Well, a madagi is a triangle which has one red side and one green side. That's a madagi. Have you never seen these objects? Well, have you never read Dr. Seuss? Come on. They're probably in one of his books. You just probably didn't see them there. Probably hidden in the background. So we have a madagi. All right, well, a madagi is a Doubee Dakker, isn't it? Because it has one red side. However, are all Doubee Dakkers madagis? No, they don't all have a green side as well. So a madagi is a more specified example of a Doubee Dakker. All madagis are Doubee Dakkers, but not all Doubee Dakkers are madagis. Okay, so now I have something else that comes along. This is extremely special. Okay, we'll call this a speciale. Well, what's an especiale? An especiale is a triangle which has one red side, one blue side, and one green side. Whoa! Mind blown. Okay, so an especiale is a madagi, an especiale is a flickamagy, because look at what it has. To be a madagi, you need a red side and a green side. Check. Okay, to be a flickamagy, you need a red side and a blue side. Check. Is it a Doubee Dakker? By golly, you are correct. It is a Doubee Dakker because you have a red side. That's how this works. Okay. Well, now just take this. Think of the Doubee Dakker as being a parallelogram. Okay? So here's a parallelogram. Then you have a rectangle. Then you have a rhombus. And then you have a square. So, what is this nonsense I speak of? Well, a square is a rhombus because it has all the attributes of a rhombus. So you need to study the attributes of a rhombus. A square is a rectangle because it has all the attributes. When you combine the rectangle and the rhombus, you get a square. Just like when you combine flicky-majee and ma-dagee, you get a speciale. A square is a parallelogram because it has all the attributes of a parallelogram. A rectangle is a parallelogram. A rhombus is a parallelogram. However, a rectangle is not a rhombus necessarily. A rhombus is not necessarily a rectangle. So the more specified shape is an example of the less specified shape. But the less specified shape could become more specified, but not always. I hope that this silly little video has helped you.